so much crap about manifestation in the social media world. So we are going to do a 30-day sequence to help you activate your manifestation power and learn to manifest the right way. Welcome to day one. Day one is all about learning that you are a powerful manifester. But we don't manifest what we want, babe. We manifest what we are. We manifest from our state of being, which means if you are in anxiety and worry and fear, you are manifesting more of the same. If you are in a state of gratitude and belief that what you want is coming to you, you are manifesting more of that. So start here. Did you manifest the breakup? Let me know in the comments what you think. What were the thoughts you were thinking before things went south? Let me know in the comments. And stay tuned for day 2 tomorrow so we can start shifting things in the direction of what you truly deserve. You can learn to shift this.